В этом видео вас ждут 100 коротких английских фраз, которые американцы используют каждый день. Они простые, полезные и легко запоминаются. Слушайте, повторяйте и начинайте говорить по-английски увереннее. Начнем. Привет.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Что нового?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up? Как дела?
How's it going?
How's it going?
How's it going? Я в порядке.
I'm good.
I'm good.
I'm good. Довольно хорошо.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Неплохо.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad. Я нормально.
I'm okay.
I'm okay.
I'm okay. Чувствую себя нормально.
Feeling fine.
Feeling fine.
Feeling fine. Спасибо.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Thanks. Большое спасибо.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Извини за это.
Sorry about that.
Sorry about that.
Sorry about that. Без проблем.
No worries.
No worries.
No worries. Извините.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Можешь помочь мне?
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Can you help me? Мне нужна помощь.
I need help.
I need help.
I need help. Я не знаю.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. Я не понимаю.
I don't get it.
I don't get it.
I don't get it. Скажи еще раз.
Say it again.
Say it again.
Say it again. Говори медленнее.
Slow down, please.
Slow down, please.
Slow down, please. Пойдем.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Устал.
Feeling tired.
Feeling tired.
Feeling tired. Очень устал сегодня.
Super tired today.
Super tired today.
Super tired today. Нужен перерыв.
Need a break.
Need a break.
Need a break. У меня работа.
I've got work.
I've got work.
I've got work. Слишком много дел.
Too much going on.
Too much going on.
Too much going on. Я свободен сейчас.
I'm free now.
I'm free now.
I'm free now. Готов идти.
Ready to go.
Ready to go.
Ready to go. Чувствую себя счастливым.
Feeling happy.
Feeling happy.
Feeling happy. Хорошее настроение.
Good mood today.
Good mood today.
Good mood today. Грустно.
Feeling down.
Feeling down.
Feeling down. Голоден.
Feeling hungry.
Feeling hungry.
Feeling hungry. Нужно поесть.
Need food.
Need food.
Need food. Хочу пить.
Thirsty right now.
Thirsty right now.
Thirsty right now. Здесь холодно.
It's cold here.
It's cold here.
It's cold here. Сегодня жарко.
It's hot today.
It's hot today.
It's hot today. Выглядит хорошо.
Looks nice.
Looks nice.
Looks nice. Звучит хорошо.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. Не очень.
Not great.
Not great.
Not great. Это нормально.
That's fine.
That's fine.
That's fine. Все хорошо.
All good.
All good.
All good. Что это?
What is this?
What is this?
What is this? Что там?
What's that?
What's that?
What's that? Кто это?
Who is this?
Who is this?
Who is this? Где ты?
Where are you?
Where are you?
Where are you? Где это?
Where is it?
Where is it?
Where is it? Сколько стоит?
How much?
How much?
How much? Нужна помощь?
Any help?
Any help?
Any help? Помоги, пожалуйста.
Help me, please.
Help me, please.
Help me, please. Понятия не имею.
No idea.
No idea.
No idea. Не понимаю.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
I don't understand. Можешь повторить?
Can you repeat?
Can you repeat?
Can you repeat? Скажи медленнее.
Say that slowly.
Say that slowly.
Say that slowly. Еще раз.
One more time.
One more time.
One more time. Подожди секунду.
Wait a sec.
Wait a sec.
Wait a sec. Подожди.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on. Все нормально.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. Без проблем.
No problem.
No problem.
No problem. Правильно.
That's right.
That's right.
That's right. Неправильно.
That's wrong.
That's wrong.
That's wrong. Думаю, да.
I think so.
I think so.
I think so. Как дела?
What's up, man?
What's up, man?
What's up, man? Как дела?
How's it going, bro?
How's it going, bro?
How's it going, bro? Ничего особенного.
Not much.
Not much.
Not much. Нормально.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Мне подходит.
Sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me. Это круто.
That's cool.
That's cool.
That's cool. Да ладно.
No way.
No way.
No way. Ты серьезно?
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Are you serious? Правда?
Really?
Really?
Really? Конечно.
Of course.
Of course.
Of course. Понял.
I got it.
I got it.
I got it. Понял.
Makes sense.
Makes sense.
Makes sense. Не уверен.
Not sure.
Not sure.
Not sure. Может, позже.
Maybe later.
Maybe later.
Maybe later. Давай сделаем.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Иди сюда.
Come here.
Come here.
Come here. Продолжай.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Подожди.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up. Береги себя.
Take care.
Take care.
Take care. Увидимся.
See ya.
See ya.
See ya. Я в пути.
I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
I'm on my way. Почти на месте.
Almost there.
Almost there.
Almost there. Я дома.
I'm home.
I'm home.
I'm home. Я на работе.
I'm at work.
I'm at work.
I'm at work. Позвони позже.
Call me later.
Call me later.
Call me later. Напиши мне.
Text me.
Text me.
Text me. Давай поговорим.
Let's talk.
Let's talk.
Let's talk. Что случилось?
What happened?
What happened?
What happened? Ничего особенного.
Nothing much.
Nothing much.
Nothing much. Все нормально.
It's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. Мне все равно.
I don't care.
I don't care.
I don't care. Я согласен.
I agree.
I agree.
I agree. Я не согласен.
I disagree.
I disagree.
I disagree. Ты прав.
You're right.
You're right.
You're right. Ты не прав.
You're wrong.
You're wrong.
You're wrong. Надеюсь.
I hope so.
I hope so.
I hope so. Я попробую.
I'll try.
I'll try.
I'll try. Я сделаю это.
I'll do it.
I'll do it.
I'll do it. Удачи.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Good luck. Увидимся позже.
See you later.
See you later.
See you later. Ты молодец. Шаг за шагом твой английский становится лучше. Даже если сейчас кажется сложно, со временем ты начнешь понимать все больше и больше. Сохраняй это видео, включай его на повтор и учи английский вместе с нами. До встречи в следующем уроке.